Yeah, like I said, I'm here to do the honors of presenting the award to the best discovery.
Yep.
And here are the nominees.
Discovery Video.
I can't do any what you do. Can't touch when I'm in Julie. You want more? Say bye-bye to poverty. Say bye-bye to poverty. Let me be on your yard. Lay your chest upon my shoulder. Never mind what your mama told ya. I tell her to so never see you one who is better than you. See your boyfriend. He be on my number. Come on, the Julie. Come on, the Julie. Yeah. Madina, take me to Madina to go see Tekina.
Okay, so under the year of review, all these artists have been very amazing. They've been hardworking and they've been apt at what they are doing, especially so at their artistry. And these are the people that we should look out for because they are the next generational artists. And these are the people who are going to fly the flag of Ghana high. After the Sarkodis and the Stone Boys, these are the new squad and we should look out for them. So the winner for the best discovery tonight, all the way from KUMASI, please, all sorry, Yaw TOG.
Yaw TOG it up. Make some noise.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for this award. Shouts to the new school, Koku Flake, Kofi Jama, Kopoku Studios, Black Sheriff, Malcolm Nuna, we're taking over.